In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background to text in Canva. To get started, open your Canva project and locate the text box where you'd like to add a background. Click on the text to select it. This first step is crucial because it tells Canva that you want to make changes specifically to this element. Once your text is highlighted, you'll see various options at the top of the page. Click on the Effects tab, which is typically located in the toolbar above your design. Clicking this will open a sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen with a variety of styling options for your text. Next, in the Effects sidebar, scroll down until you find the Background section. Click on Background to enable the background options for your text. You should immediately see a box appear around your text, indicating that the background has been activated. It's a handy visual cue to show you that everything is working as it should. With your background in place, let's fine-tune its appearance. First, adjust the roundness of your text background. In the Effects sidebar, there's a slider for roundness. Moving the slider changes the curvature of your text background's corners. Slide it to the right for a softer, pillowy effect, or to the left for sharper, defined edges. After setting the roundness, you can adjust the spread. The spread slider expands or contracts the background box relative to your text. This allows you to create a tighter fit against your text or a wider space around each letter. Adjust the slider until the background frames your text exactly as you envision it. Next, adjust the transparency. This controls how bold or subtle your background appears behind your text. Moving the transparency slider makes your background more opaque or more see-through, which is useful if you want your text to stand out while still revealing some of the design elements behind it. Finally, choose the right color. Click the color box next to the word color in the sidebar and a palette will open for you. Pick the perfect shade that complements your overall design, making your text pop. By following these steps, you now have eye-catching text with a customized background in your Canva project. This technique not only improves readability, but also adds a professional touch to your design. It's a simple yet effective way to elevate your visuals, making them stand out in any format, whether print or digital. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you design with confidence. Keep practicing, keep experimenting, and as always, happy designing.